Wondering which programming languages are worth learning in 2024? In this video, we'll count down the top 5 languages you should consider. Number 5. Go. Known for its simplicity and performance, Go is ideal for building scalable systems and is increasingly popular in cloud computing. Number 4. Swift. If you're interested in iOS development, Swift is a must-learn. It's fast, modern, and widely used for creating iPhone apps. Number 3. JavaScript. Still the backbone of web development, JavaScript is essential for creating interactive websites and is constantly evolving. Number 2. Python. Python's versatility and readability make it perfect for beginners and pros alike, especially in data science and machine learning. Number 1. Rust. Rust is gaining momentum for its focus on safety and performance, making it a great choice for systems programming and new developers. These languages are shaping the future of tech. Pick one and start learning today. Subscribe for more insights on programming and tech trends.